Hey everyone, welcome back to Editing Basics. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add white background in Picsart. So let's begin. First of all, open your Picsart application. So now you can see this plus button on the middle. Tap on this to create a new project. Here you can add any of your photos or create a blank page. Here I'm selecting a blank page. Now it will take some time. So in order to have a white background, here on the bottom, just scroll until you find this option called fit. Now tap on this fit icon. So as you can see, there's the option of color. Tap on color and now you can select the color here. So you can select and even keep any of those colors available here. Tap on this white color and tap on this OK button on the top. So now you're done. This is how you add white background in Picsart. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps you.